Caesalpinidae is the subfamily of Fabaceae. The classification of Caesalpinidae is class Dicotyledon, subclass Polypetalae, series Calyciflorae, order Rosales, family Leguminosae or Fabaceae, subfamily is Caesalpinidae. Okay. Before watching my video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. If you like my video, share to all your friends. Next, important plants belongs to Caesalpinaceae are number 1, Cassia auriculata. In Telugu it is known as Tangedu. Second one, Cassia occidentalis. It is known as Kasinta. Next one, Cassia fistula. In Telugu it is called Rela. Next plant is Cassia siamia. It is known as Chettu Tangedu. Next plant is Bahinia vahli. In Telugu it is called Addaku. Next one, Saraka indica. In Telugu it is known as Ashoka. Next plant, Pterolobium hexapetalum. It is called Pariki. Parkinsonia aculeata. It is known as Jiluga. Next one, Tamarindus indica. It is known as tamarind in English, and in Telugu it is called Chinta. Next plant is Caesalpinia pulcherrima. In Telugu it is known as Ratnagandhi. Next plant is Delonix regia. In Telugu it is called Erraturayi. Okay. Next, coming to habitat and habit. First, coming to habitat, most of the plants are mesophytes. Next, coming to habit. This family shows a great variation in habit. This family includes trees, shrubs, and herbs, woody climbers. These all are included in this family. Okay. First, examples for trees. Delonix regia, Tamarindus, and Saraka indica are examples for trees. Next, examples for shrubs. Caesalpinia pulcherrima, Cassia auriculata. This is Cassia auriculata plant. This one. Okay. Next one, Pterolobium. Next one, Cassia tora is a herb. Cassia tora is a annual herb. Bahinia vahli is a woody climber. Next, coming to vegetative characters. First vegetative character is root. Roots are generally tap roots. They are branched. Branches are present in the roots. Next vegetative character, stem. Stems are generally aerial. That means they are exposed to external environment. Next, erect. They grow straight. Next, stems may be woody. Woody means they contain wood. They have tough stem. Otherwise, stems are herbaceous. Green color stem is present in these plants. Example, Cassia tora. Next one, climbing trees. Climbing plants also present in this family. Example, Bahinia vahli. And stem is branched. Branches are present. For example, this is a stem. On the stem, branches are present. Next, glabrous. Glabrous means stem surface is smooth without any hair. Otherwise, stems are covered with prickles. Small prickles or spines are present. Example, Parkinsonia. In Parkinsonia, on the stem surface, prickles or spines are present. Okay. Next one, leaf. Next vegetative character is leaf. Leaves are generally alternate. Next, leaf base is pulvinous. Pulvinous means leaf base is swollen. Leaf base is present. Such leaf base is called pulvinous leaf base. Next, stipulate. Leaves have stipules. Next, stipules are modified into spines. Stipules are modified into spines in Parkinsonia. That means These stipules are modified to form spines or prickles. Next, leaves are compound unipinnate. Compound unipinnate in Cassia and Tamarindus. That means leaf lamina is dissected up to midrib and number of leaflets are present on the rachis, on the either side of the rachis. This type of leaves are called compound unipinnate leaves. They are found in Cassia fistula and Cassia auriculata, Tamarindus indica. Tamarindus indica. And bipinnately compound leaves are found in Caesalpinia pulcherrima, Delonix regia. Bipinnately compound leaf means the leaf lamina is dissected up to midrib and secondary rachis are found. Are you understand? Leafy lamina is dissected up to midrib. This is primary rachis and secondary rachis are developed on primary rachis. On the secondary rachis, leaflets are present. Such leaves are called bipinnate compound leaves. Otherwise, simple leaves are also found. Simple leaves are also found in some plants. Next, leaves are stipulate. Next, in Bauhinia, the leaf is simple and bilobed. Two lobes are present in the leaves. Entire margin, that means leaf margin is smooth. For example, this is leaf margin. This leaf margin is smooth without any hair and without any ridges and furrows. Next, pinnately reticulate venation. This is about vegetative characters of Caesalpinaceae family. In the next video, I will discuss about floral characters of Caesalpinaceae. Thank you for watching.